Hey guys, nilqalkom għal episodju ieħor tal-Malta Pop Podcast, l-ewwel episodju ta' 2024 le
2025 sir shit. Actually guys,
2025 mela bdejna ħajkonna llum ħan nitkellmu il-Malta Pop team għaw jien, għaw Marcos, għaw Dwayne, hemm il-Panda. U fuq affarijiet li muġbunix fit-2024, affarijiet li uġbuna fit-2024 u what the fuck affarijiet li ġraw fit-2024. U kol ħamenċu ħan semmu naqra affarijiet li ġejjin fit-2025 fil-qasir. Suppost ħatkun interessanti taj. Marcos jgħat ħajmalla, so ħajkonna.
We set it up on like that. I'm on 25 milligram of edible right now. We're gonna stop
Marcos resi jgħamil announcement fuq il-porn.
Yes, so maħda lura. Ija, għetna għamil il-mikrofon. Maħda riwa. Nala, kompli dwejna, ha?
Marcus could David locked in. Għalla għawx ħajġri guys dell-episode. Just mux locked in guys, let's go.
Waħda rewind zaħir lura fl-episod ta' Spooner, meta kien saqsina x'tip ta' porn nħobbu aħna. U jien nista' l-answer tiegħi huwa milf ta' seklet.
Għax Marcos meta qala dik kellu tfajla. U beda jistħi u su pussi ħarab jiġri mit-tajjeb bħala sport top u jien
Sport brother, you know, bro. Like bro, everyone watches it, it's fine bro. Oh my god.
Mela, tlaqna l-intro u nibdew, ciao.
Mux ħajkonna podcast, kulħadd għandu podcast, il-butcher ta' wara għandu podcast. U mux podcast.
Mela, l-ura fi studio, mela l-lum qabel ma nibdew ħan ingrazzjona għal sponsors, għanna sponsor ġdid li ħajedinna x'jismu Dwayne.
Marcus, kif ħajdla Marcus?
Wait, what the fuck?
L-sponsors tagħna huwa Miniature Corner Studio. Issa sabuħ ħattar diet, jekk għandkom bżonn any 3D printings, morru firċuħ u jagħmlilkom.
Mela, il-Miniature Studio Corner, ek tajb.
Miniature Corner Studio.
Għadna rix nitgħallem, taf li
Madonna, ejja, għabex ħaqle.
Basically, dak kien guest tagħna kien Rexar, kien Martajjeb, fatti aħna qed nippruvaw nistiednu guest li għandhom kumpaniji biex ituna sponsors. So jekk m'intix m'għandekx kumpanija m'intix ħadkun guest hawnhekk biex tkun għax għandna bżonn fucking money biex kunu taw.
Exactly.
Alright.
Għal-ħaxix tiegħi le, sorry.
Sma.
Għaret nitċajta, good.
We love our guests. We love our guests.
U koll ningrazzjaw il-Planet Console, il-leġentana li dejmetina l-affarijiet, u speċi sponsors da, għal-milli ġibtilom ġiġ Funko Pops daw il-
Mela.
people.
Dak il-Funko Pops għalli għalija, imma fil-verità għalija proxtraħ.
Le, santi u kom wara you bastard. Anyway, Planet Consoles, ningrazzjaw l-solo Caffe li jatidina l-Caffe li reġetana l-Caffe għat-tielet season,
Għanna bżon l-enerġija, għax li għajjemmet, għallu bżon trasmi.
Biex kunu tafu, l-episod li naħseb l-estiħ jaraw, ta' Zelion l-estiħ jedetjaħ xit sati ta' fil-ħodu, ġifiri u dan.
S-satija nofsak xika,
biex noħorġu.
għaxin kontem għajjem fit-tlieta.
Jilbessa Santa Claus, għaxxol, ġifiri.
So, skużawni, mela ningrazzjaw il-solo Caffe li jgħatinna xar li ġibinna Caffe li għandi bżon ħafna l-lum. Ningrazzjaw ukoll dejjem il-Patrick Prince tal-printing, għanna mek u it-t-shirts uffiċjali tagħna, kif taraw, u dKaseFactory li l-lum ma nistax nurikom il-phone case għax xajt mobile ġdid. So, u għaddi ma miltlux. Imma rrid imur Patrick u jagħmel li phone case għal mobile ġdid. Plus qed nużaw biex nirrekordjaw fissa kif qed taraw nidru ħafna iktar. Jekk xi ħadd jeqret fuq il-liba video quality d-darba nidħol għalih u naqsmu għal madunċi.
Tista' sab speċjalment li
Issa jitħali, issa bażikament. Issa iPhone only, tal-Panda, tal-Panda għamela għalura. Oh my god, guys, no.
Anyway, no, there's no drugs. Mush drugs. There's snooze, whatever that is. Tobacco. Anyway, okay.
Basically a drug, bro.
U koll ringrazzjaw fan tal-program li rititina xi ħaġa lura u tagħna daw il-beautiful t-shirts tista' tarawhom hawnhekk. Mela, il-kumpanija tiegħu li hija new company qed jagħmel daw l-anime t-shirts high quality. Daw jiddiżinjhom hu. So hu vera artist vera tajjeb, jiddiżinjhom hu. Jien obviously għandi Attack of Titan li Panda can appreciate a lot, Tanda loves Attack of Titan.
Itachi, guys.
Itachi xinu, dak Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball. Bro, tejdlux Dragon Ball, da fucking Naruto, bro. It's a meme,
Baruto,
bro. Boruto, bro. ħajaħraq l-alla, mena.
U inti xandek, inti xandek.
Aw, thank you ħafna ta' dar regal sabiħ.
Tara Dragon Ball kelli raġun.
Imma da għandu One Piece, bro, ukoll.
So it's a mixture of, it's a combination.
Da combination da.
Alright, okay. U jien għandi dal, ħan niprofa nurikom.
It's actually Naruto, One Piece and Dragon Ball, bro.
So, anyway, jien ma kellux ta' konosuba, so kelli nġib ta' my second favorite
Ukoll
anime.
tanan stickers. Ukoll.
Anyway, jek tiddu t-ċekjaw ħan nitfalkom l-isem tal-post li jismu, xismu?
Yumitsu Threads.
Palissa, everything dwejna, xina jismiet I'm muted. Anyway,
Oh, I might be butchering that name, ma safjena fin Yumitsu Trends.
so mek regal t-shirts ta' anime vera cool, itlu għaraw, un ingrazzjaw, thank you.
We pronounce it wrong, guys.
Mela, nibdew fuq affarijiet.
Don't matter, we pronounce it horribly.
How do you mean?
Wait, Yumetasu threads. Yumetasu, you didn't say.
You don't say, you know in Japanese, you don't say the whole, like some letters are silent, you know that, right? Some,
Guys, you said it wrong.
like, it's gonna ambushing it. Bro, son, kull Madonna! Issa, nishtiq ringrazzjawk ħafna ta' da regal.
Anyway, enough with the t-shirts. That's it.
I love
Thank
the
you.
t-shirt, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you
Mela,
very much.
nibdew fuq affarijiet li rnajn. Oħroġ in-notes u toqgħodx is-sabbat.
Mux ħansab.
Il-notes, bro, uħorġu mejja, għabba ma stampat lilek.
Qabel ma ngħidu xi ħaġa, panda ħajġa ħaġa minn xejn qatt kwit.
Hello.
It's a very chaotic episode, bro, xver għallum. Bro.
Naħseb il-flow ar minn ta' Spooner ħajkun illum. Il-flow ar minn ta' Spooner.
Isma, laqwa li nħadu għos.
Laqwa bas. Mela, guys, Marvel Rivals.
Marvel Rivals, sabba dik il-san nitkellmu ktar.
Guys.
Li ħanibda nitkellem fuq li l-iktar ħaġa li naħseb l-iktar program show li kien vera faqani fin 2024 kien no, fuck One Piece. Like One Piece ħareġ live action this year.
No, of course, it came out this year. Okay, it came out this year, it was
The live
good.
action One Piece show was good. I will admit that it's good.
That's why I mentioned it, bro.
They did come out this year.
2023.
20 last year, that came out, that's why I meant.
Was it last year?
Le, last year.
Fact check, Panda. Can you fact check over
I
here?
don't think it was this
Oh,
year.
that was this. Was it last year, bro?
Because I remember my uncle. Niftakar it-tiju.
And then kien tgħid.
Live action.
Le, jista' jkun kien għadu kemm jislu.
Eżatt,
2023.
Eżatt.
But what's the date? What's the date?
Bro, 2023.
What's the date? What's the month, bro?
Date. It comes out in the same place. It's Netflix. It comes out of the
Fuck,
world
bro.
on the
fuck.
same day.
Well, I fucked up. Bro. I guess that was when
Mela,
we
one
Jesus Christ.
Okay, mela. Passoltu, ma nitkellmux everyone takes their turn.
Għala zbobbi, bro.
Insomma,
Ajja,
One Piece, you fucked up.
I fucked up.
Mela, il-show li kontet Madonna ċiħilli nsini, sorry guys. Il-show li kontet nitkellem fuq u jien li kol huwa fuq Netflix huwa Arcane League of Legends
Season 2 għadna ma rajtux.
Mela ħana xxiwlek minn.
Għandek raġun. I mean, ilu l-ħareġ issa.
Le, xinu l-ħareġ, bro?
Ħanidlek il-verità.
Minn fan ħajjaraħ ma lew, suppost.
Ħanidlek il-verità.
Isma ma biex bro, xkont naraħħom.
Jiena ma nafx League of Legends. Imma Facebook mifquh.
So you know what's gonna happen.
No, actually, definitely I've been able to like dodge every post. Man, kull post u dodge, like anka edits, kolla
Alright,
dodge
okay,
jina.
I'm gonna do it non-spoilery.
thank
Ma ħan
you.
nitkellem fuq. Mela, this
Next episode zgur issa nkun rajtu.
Okay, whatever.
Hopefully.
Mela, no problem. Mela, ħan nitkellem naqa fuq bis minar spoilers of that, but zuma għalija, right. Right, imqarxi one episode ta' season 2 xej.
Oh yeah, don't worry,
Season 2 xej.
I don't mind.
Okay.
I don't mind spoilers, bro.
No,
it's
no,
okay.
but anyway, never xan fuq l-sor, kem ħan najt li dan il-season up the end għalija, alright, l-ewel season kien vera cool meta ħareġ minn għalija 2021, minn għalija ħareġ jew xi ħaġek. L-ewel net kien it was really good. Basically, and it shows, dan is-serja nefqu 250 billion
Billion would be characters.
But 250 million on an animated TV show is a lot of money. Fatt għala ħafna shit. Imma, if you watch the show, huwa every single panel, kull panel tista' tkun screen shaver. It's so l-art style tiegħu cinematic. Il-music is amazing. Taf li wara li rajtu basically soundtrack kien on repeat. Music is-song choices li għamlu fuqha hemm minnhom li fucking jaqbdek depression. Imma tantu ma sbieħ. U tantu ma like really good songs. You just hear it, tħossok depressing ma tħossok like nice. anka speċi, jiena vera għalek faqali moħħi da-show, jien mur, like, I went obsession, taf li kif tar ma ġili tara shows, bat YouTube reaction.
Mela.
Li bdejt neġġita ruħi u neġġina ruħi, nara nis jirreaktjaw taħħom. For me, this was a masterpiece. I'm really, really sad li kun mamlu 2 seasons.
But-
Infatti waqfu. No, list they jkun, they do spin-offs.
They're going to do spin-offs.
I can see universe.
Inti talaba League of Legends?
Mux
He had an idea.
Kod nilabhom ma l-istorja vera ġobni u anka ġifiri bħala world building li League of Legends minn dejjem kienu tajbin, dejjem kienu tardih. Li qed jippjanaw jagħmlu issa bażikament League of Legends dejjem ikun hemm faction kontra faction. So f'Arcane kien hemm Zon kontra Piltover. U rajna naqa' minn Noxus. Ħabba Mel u għammaw dal-affarijiet. So issa kif qegħdin naħsbu li ħajġri li ħajkun hemm pereżempju next season ħajkun pereżempju Noxus kontra Piltover. Noxus kontra Demacia. U jkun hemm dawk il-factions dejjem jisu.
U focusing on more different characters. Li jien li vera ġbitni minn dan il-show li, as I said, basically everything. Imma one major thing li ġobni li meta Riot li s-soltu jkunu money grabbers u affartek, daw tawhom free rights, il-writers, għalulhom in your hands, jekk tridu toqtlu any character, you can kill any character. Laqwali, it makes a good story.
Fil-faġġra.
Fatti, mux no spoilers, some big characters die.
Jinx. No,
ma nafu.
Okay, to be honest, that's actually really cool like the Riot gave like the għax usually Riot vera jħobbu ma jtux permit.
Per esempio, soltu Marvel, per esempio, jekk għandek, let's say, Jinx, li kiku fil-Marvel, ma tarawx li ħajħallu joqtlu
Black Widow mux ħajja.
Black Widow.
Ija, ma stanna.
Madonna, għamel xie wahda sew, wait.
Bro,
mela, 2020, Black Widow, they killed Black Widow off.
No, when they killed Black, they killed Black Widow, vera. I forgot, man.
Yes, it's
Cinematic Universe, bro, insane, bro,
they killed her off, man.
Oh.
And plus, Arcane, which I really liked, is there was...
Iron Man naf li għatlu bro, ma, like, the big guy.
Sama le, ħajġi Dr. Doom.
Le, mux
Mela, ma ħafna fuq Arcane. Inti li rajt fik minnu. Inti li int mintix League of Legends player.
I loved it.
Short or you liked it?
I loved it. It was one of the best like series I've ever watched. So my top.
All right, ukollu season 2?
Not all of it.
Basta, ħad maraħaw, imbis rajtu bro għawek.
Okay,
but pala character.
Busy, bro, busy, boy. Busy.
They showed. They, how can I explain this in better words? Binaw il-karatteri sura li għandhom background fuqhom għandhom l-istejjer tagħhom anke l-artwork iktar season 2 brutali.
Le, u anka Jinx ġabuha minn flok Harley Quinn knockoff to actually be a character, a real person li actually nis they care about u jazbu fija.
Dik minn season 1 namlu.
Ija, le, ma bad komplu jamlu għal.
Spandu character development għax to be honest character development kalla bżon iżjed. Issa I might watch actually a recap għax YouTube video I might watch all season 1 and then what season 1
they cooked.
Għax insejtu season 1
one little issue li stanajt obviously never everything is perfect. I did really enjoy that li naħseb li maybe I would have liked it to be maybe two episodes longer.
Kem kienem?
No, it was like 8 episodes.
Not 10, not
10. No, 9. No, but I would have liked it to have at least one more episode for all the last episode, tant kien fih action, shit going on, man. Li kiku they split it into 2 episodes, it would have been ikollok naqra iktar breathing pace. Imma saying that, it was like an adrenaline run or scene after scene, action, epic moments, vera tal-alla.
I think they did that on purpose,
Kun rush tal-alla, man.
And even the cinematography in the series as well is very good.
Yo, budget was l-axħar naqra. Let's just cram everything. Like, honestly, guys.
Kevin, 249, u fadanna 1 million, just
Let's go, guys. Kollox. Yo, kellek għabbaqlom ħafna budget. In fact, let's make the most amazing fight team that we can create in this episode.
Jista' jkun
Nittraben nefqwa just fuq dik il-one episode,
Jekk għandkom ma rajtuħx.
Go għara.
Taraw.
Mela, next up, mela jiena ċaħġa inti, ċaħġa li toġbok minn 2024.
Xaħġa li l-lum 2024.
Mux zobbok.
Zombi.
ħaġa li ħagġobni. Kif istana? Ta' Indiana Jones.
Loba ta' Indiana Jones.
Loba ta' Indiana Jones. Labta.
Il-liba, ġal estate, kem ħarġa?
Il-fej wasal.
Last week.
Il-fej wasal Spider-Man, bro, inti.
Oh, ma nerġaw.
Il-fej wasal Spider-Man. Bro, 20 episodes in, guys, and like, literally... Għamil percentage, bro, laqas.
Percentage, għamil percentage. Komplejna.
Fortnite.
Ara, Indiana Jones and The Great Circle, one of the best.
Jena nimbella kif tispiċċajta f'ġimma minna.
It came out last
Kemm
week.
twila?
It's not that long.
You have around 50 hours.
50 hours, it's not a short
The
game.
whole game has 100 hours to complete it all.
With side quests and everything, or just
Which I've completed everything.
everything. Il-liba, bro.
I'm on the final.
It's a story game, yeah.
Yes.
Ġifrin ta' tek li kull marqat xi 14 il-sija f'ġimgħa.
Plus the social life tiegħu, bro, ġabba issa joħroġ xejn kollu
Le, wara xogħol literalment niġi d-dar u kol ma niflaħx jiena u nilagħba bit.
Mela le.
Mela, one second, sentejn kont qed tilab liba Indiana Jones. Meta bdejt nistiednek biex tilab Marvel Rivals u tgħid li le busy biex tilab fucking
Busy.
Imma insomma, le,
Jinlab.
Pala
Meta ġiba ħala, bro, toħxi għada, ma d-nimma jinlab pala.
Pala logħba, pala storja, it's amazing. Imma l-iktar ħaġa li ma ġbitnix hija li l-optimization tal-logħba li xewa kompletament.
Fuq PS5 ukoll, jew fuq PC.
Le, it's an Xbox exclusive, ġifieri.
Għandek Xbox ukoll.
Le, ma PC, with Xbox Game Pass tista' tilabwa wkoll first day.
Le,
Le, storja sabiħa, character building throughout the game sabiħa wkoll, scenery vera sabiħa li ma ġbitnix li għadni kifat huma l-optimization, għax literalment quoted by words.
Amma dik kull-loba ta' kallom
Le, minimum requirements you need ray tracing.
What?
For the game.
Minimum requirements?
Requirement you need ray tracing for the game.
Mela ma
So, għandek bżon...
It will run on low u
So għandek bżon 2080 minimum. 2080 għandek ray tracing. Il-liba, bro, biex.
Mela, my 2060 managed to run the game all in low. Still, the game was beautiful. The game was running at a close 60 FPS at certain parts of the game because it was unoptimized. As I said, it's an unoptimized game. It's an unoptimized console game ported into PC, which is completely horrible.
When they port games, kull dem jamlu like sometimes fucky like ma
u l-istorja bazata.
L-istorja hija bbażata bejn l-ewwel film u tieni film, middle of it. U kombinazzjoni meta tibda l-logħba, no spoilers ovvjament, tilab l-ewwel film ta' Indiana Jones, Raiders of the Lost Ark. Eżatt, huwa l-intro ta' Raiders of the Lost Ark fejn x'ismu dak. Ta' Dr. Octavius.
Alright, okay.
L-attur li lab Dr. Octavius. Tejċismu palissa.
Mela, inti, Dwayne, kien the big thing you liked from 2020?
The big thing that I liked from 2024, man. Asnaf, honestly.
Lek għamil homework għod stun.
Għet naħseb, metlekx, two things right now li għet moħi. Marvel Rivals, verġ bitni.
That's it.
Marvel Rivals. Imma inni na YouTube videos fuq, għalek għin kollu na YouTube videos. People
all fuq Marvel Rivals.
Marvel Rivals. Koll. X'kienem xaħġa uħra, ma nsa moħħi ma jistax.
Kanna sħiħ, ta' xisnet najdu għafri li ġraw fl-axħar ġibba. Review ta' 2024.
Man.
Guys.
Last, kalm, isma. In short book, man, come back to me, in short book this sena.
Għandek xaħġa li uġbitek
Tekken 8,
Tekken 8, oh yeah!
Tekken 8 was a must. Is
a masterpiece, bro.
Ħanidu kom il-verita, bħala xaħat li lab Tekken throughout, as in was just Tekken 7 u Tekken 8. Tekken zaħjar. Għax daħlu ħafna pari ġodda u daħlu ħafna mechanics.
What's your favorite actually Tekken? Like overall, rating?
I think it has to be Tekken 4.
I was gonna say 5. I think you were gonna say 5, bro. 5 was really good 5.
Il-ħaġa li they moved away from that direction a long time ago. So there's no hope of getting something like Tekken 4.
La, zat.
But Tekken 8 is up there. Tekken 8, I mean, last week it just won the best fighting game of the year.
Awards, dik kan semmuha.
I mean, to be honest, there isn't a lot of competition in my opinion. Street Fighter 6 was good when it released, but now
It died.
with the new...
Nex Mortal Kombat na li jew.
Mortal Kombat memx fighting. It's a good game. No, Mortal Kombat is a good game. Il-problema li għanda Mortal Kombat, it can't be like a fight. Aw Malta mawx competitive scene aw Malta li U għandukun barra as competitive scene barra. I don't think there is.
Much really.
It's a niche one, it's a very niche one.
Because of the way that it's played.
Yeah.
Like the buttons or...
Yeah.
The whole mechanic of the game. Isa... Titkun tħobbu partikolarment ta' kif isek. Player wieħed li vera jħobb jilab ħafna differenti, Street Fighter, Guilty Gear, jidħol ħafna lob, jismu Sonic Fox, ma nafx ma tafux.
Smajt bih.
Imma, insomma, Tekken 8 tal-bliħ. Speċjalment l-ħar karattru l-ħareċ.
Ta' Final Fantasy.
Oh my god.
Osti għarajtu, meta mela ħanna minna morna l-tournament.
Morna Tekken,
U basic għonna tamlu intervisti u efferdek, għal fi Jean predicted who this character is gonna be. Jean, the host. Dak Carbonaro, Carbonaro. Like
One of our guests.
Who would you like?
And he guessed it.
Chris Redford, Chris xiz-z.
No, he said Bucky Hamma. He says Bucky Hamma.
Kella Clive. Fattek il-video għamiltlu Nostradamus fuq minn. Like, what the fuck, man? Like 2 days later, announced li kienu.
To be honest, with Tekken, you can kind of guess who they're gonna be the guest characters. Sometimes, no, ikellhom line-up.
No,
I have no idea.
Sena, for example, I'm pretty sure Bucky Hamma will eventually come to Tekken.
Bucky Hamma xiz-z.
Jekk kellhom l-official licensing, għax dik il-problema, anime jitlitlu ħafna licensing, dik il-problema fin-nofs.
The problem is that we, like, in-nies ilhom jistennew il-Bucky biex jidħol f'Tekken.
Ħafna.
Minn Tekken
7. Yes. It's all licensing tamma, it's all like għax il-problema biex jagħtu l-IP ta' Bucky for an actual game, it's a problem sometimes.
Il-ħalta li mbagħad ħareġ għakom. Ġo Tekken.
That's Street Fighter.
Akkom mux parti, akkom Street Fighter mux parti minn, I mean, Street Fighter has an anime vera, but it's not really, it didn't start from the anime, it started from the game.
Kien character ta' Street Fighter ma daħal Tekken.
Ma jista, ma that's a game, he's kind of, I'm not villain vera,
Baku ma minnu.
Bucky is from a famous fighting anime, I'm trying to show Bucky, ħafna, fuq Netflix raħkem, Bucky Hamma l-anime, or Bucky is a really, really good fighting anime, you'd like it. It's sort of buff dudes just fighting people.
Jojo, but physical.
But he doesn't know what Jojo is, bro. Like, let him in lunch to actually were like, oh. Askin jaf Dragon Ball, asja Dragon Ball, bro. Le. No. Bro, it's okay. Bucky, I'm just heard about
And what Jojo as well, please.
Jojo. I don't think he'd like Jojo person. So maybe he'll like.
Mela, guys, nitkellmu naqfu Marvel Rivals għas-semmejni għanaqredda, għavolja, again, provajna nimxu naqra iktar down the lane of 2024. Imma Marvel Rivals ħarġet u għalija faqat il-logħba, kontili ma nkun excited għal-logħba ħafna. Fatti kontu tafu li kif dejjem taqdu miegħi fuq fucking Spider-Man li laqas kelli ċans nilab. For Marvel Rivals I actually made chance. Għalek jekk tlet sigħat għax minflok qatni editja over the weekend. Nilab fucking Marvel Rivals.
Yeah, so what time, bro?
I need some time to play. Basically qed nimmejnja il-Rocket Raccoon u Squirrel Girl, those two. Meta jieħdu l-Rocket nuża Squirrel Girl, meta jieħdu l-Squirrel Girl nuża. Imma l-iktar li nħobb ir-Rocket għax l-għennet huwa tajjeb għax healer, għax is-soltu no one wants to be a healer. Rocket huwa vera, I love being a healer, I love being Rocket, vera bomba. Toqgħod tisparawlhom
I didn't imagine Rocket was going to be a healer. How his character is exactly in real life, very much dash healer.
I haven't played Marvel Rivals yet.
I see it, tara mux jinvest.
I'm an avid gamer.
It's a good game, bro.
Il-konti tajt li something put you off it, uġvest, ma
It's an Overwatch, it's kind of an Overwatch copy,
It is an Overwatch copy.
I know.
I think it's the third person feeling of it, not with the first person.
Right, okay.
The fact that you see the whole... Il-fatt li tara karattru kollu, mux tara just il-weapon, jew tara just il-eħ. Dik il-ħaġa, speċjalment dik it-tip ta' logħba jisa ma tantx.
You'll get used to it.
I know. Probably iva ta' imma
jiena se once li jekk tippruvaħħa You'll like it. Għax kienem ħafna nies li kienu big Overwatch fans, anke l-ħadarba tħalt ma' Wild, ħabib tagħna, shout out Wild. U kienet jagħmel playgroup u konna 6 people u daw kienu like 4 of them were just waqfu jilabu naqmel Overwatch biex jilabu u kolla uġbitom ħafna likes biex they say it's really really fun.
Do you want to guess who I would main? From what I've seen, I think I know who I'm going to main.
Who?
Try and guess.
Il-libba shark?
Jeff is cute. Jeff is very cute. Emma who's Jeff?
Cute sa kem jikloq me.
Emma not Jeff. I wouldn't main Jeff naħseb.
I think it would be a support.
I love supports. No, I love Groot. No, not hard. I think either would be Venom.
Venom is a tank.
I love tank. Tanky boys are my style, bro.
He's a flanking tank.
It's okay, I love flanking. I like attacking. Bro, no, he's a tank. No, I know.
No. Da kiku panda, kiku rajt xi characters, rajt xi ħaġa.
I mean, fil-bejta kont labta, kienem il-bejta.
Ġebti xark li għadda b'lek.
U kienem xaħat. Insejt kif kien. Rocket kien oġobni. Jack kien oġobni.
Okay.
Hawkeye support. Hawkeye mux support. Hawkeye mux... Kellhom karattri għaw.
They added more. Għax għaddi għal Black Panther issa.
And apparently there's data mined that there's gonna be Deadpool.
No, Deadpool is rumored.
Fine.
Within the next couple of months, huma confirmed il-Fantastic Four kolla.
Dr. Doom.
U Dr. Doom. U madonna minn kien liħor, there was another shit, ma stax nifakar. But the Fantastic Four, shit, I remembered it and gone. Soma, Fantastic Four kolla, I'll remember.
No worries.
Mela, next thing, inti.
Mela.
Għajdena xaġa li you hated from 2024.
Something I hated. Mela, ħanmur għal xaħġa kbira.
Hated is the word, yes.
The Game Awards kif Astro Bot repet l-award ta' The Game Awards.
Bikkin, għadanka li ma nifimx fil-loba, fucking platformer għalla kontra Wu-Tung, The Rings, u ma nafx iż-zobkir, u battara għalla.
Għala persuna li laf. Li huwa fanboy.
Astro Boy?
Kolla labtom l-Astro Bot. Li kien hemm minn fuq tal-PlayStation 4 anke tal-VR. Astro Bot, guys, with all due respect, it is literally a promotional event biex PlayStation jippromotjaw il-lob tagħhom.
But bro, it's the best game, bro.
Ultron għandu joħroġ fil-Marvel.
Iva!
Kont ħanet Ultra xi ma I wasn't sure actually. Ma mhux ngħid ħaġa nixtieq oħra.
Astro Bot is a promotional content.
Astro Bot literalment it's a promotional game. Fej, hemm xeba karat li lipsin ta' Astro Bot u...
Guys, nisbaħ loba il-abuwa.
Game of the Year, man.
Game of the Year, guys. Wukong, who? Elden Ring, who?
Elden Ring DLC.
Oh yeah,
The Game Awards kienu draw xi lobits, ħafna lobits.
Għax Elden Ring mux saħħaġ.
Sony, kif erbaħnija?
Oh,
how did we win?
Guys.
Guys, I can't see with all this money in my...
Għara, ħanejdu, jena ħabi u kol kellhom dil-opinjoni fej, like, isa...
Ma sabiħa Strawboy, bro.
Meta rawa fil-Game of the Year, għallu kif jista' jkun hija, anka balla Troy u xkien dik il-logħba. Imma mbagħad għallu li it's worth it li rebħet, because it's such a good platformer. U tant kemm vasta l-univers. Li...
Basta Universe ta'
Ja, ma still vast.
Isma.
Istess karazzi li tara mal-God of xixtemmi għajli.
Semmi li l-ovoħra li seta trebħet flo eja nejdu ħa. Astro Bot.
There wasn't any big hitters, man, besides like those two.
Wukong u DLC.
Ne, vera, ma tantx kien big.
Elden Ring.
DLC kien ma kienx actual game da.
Għalli għalli seta xorta t-kompeti, fil-fat kienet t-kompeti fil-Game of the Year. Imma ma tista' kieku per eżempju, insomma, anka
neħi dak
il-ġida li ħieġa.
Ija, xwari.
Ma tantx tista'
Minn vari, vera, dik oħra.
Dis-sena ma tantx kien.
Imma 2025 ħajkonna xabalop ġejjin u kollax huma annunzjaw li ġejja ma'
Indiana Jones. Indiana Jones tista' tikkompeti għal 2005.
Next year tista' tikkompeti teknikament.
So basically it's screwed. Too late for the awards u that's it. Erdajdu.
Bażikament.
darba.
Mela FIFA.
EA Sports.
To the game. To the max.
Mela bażikament huma they revealed Mafia the Old Country li hija prequel tal-ewwel Mafia ta' kif beda kollu l-Kazu Nostra. Mamlu reveal ukoll ta' Minna li, Wolverine ma kienu xamlu reveal taħħa.
Ħarġu Porn Simulator 3000.
Le, dik isandiħa.
Borderlands 4.
Borderlands 4 li per anticipated u sabiħa tidher ħafna.
id-DLC ta' Elden Ring.
Iva li dik very excited għalija għax għadjaw co-op.
Intom għattidu what's coming now, sa. The worst.
Panda jgħidilna aktar fuq id-DLC ta' Elden Ring għax min ixxert fuq eżatti minn it's co-op. Koltatlu jisa Battle Royale imma mhijiex Battle Royale.
Let's say the worst. This was the worst category first.
We're on a flow now.
Fine, kombejna.
Dik tkun ma nafx jekk qatt ma labtux mak. Ma nafx.
Smite bias.
Basically inti tidħol u tista' tmut ħafna drabi. Imma kull meta tmut l-affarijiet li ġġib.
Mux pa xuħu jgħaw dik.
Xifu,
During the run, you can go back in u tkompli.
So like Tarkov in a way.
Le, Tarkov you lose them.
No, Tarkov because you go in with loot. You get from there and you leave. But if you die, you lose all that shit.
3 days, 3 nights. If you don't complete the 3 days and 3 nights, you restart. At the end of the 3 nights, ikun hemm l-ikbar boss ta' jkun hemm li huwa Nameless King.
Nameless King għal
Crazy. U ħadkun interessanti għax dejjem hemm dik ir-replayability. Il-ħaġa li naqadej itni fiha li you can only be 1 or 3 players, you can't be 2.
Imma għadjaw biex għazdamum il-komunità.
Crazy. That's already amazing.
Sejħan għabel the rings, man.
Bro, Elden Ring kollu mut, bro. Sieħbi jilaba il-builds tajbin għandu. Kien ħajm il-builds that jgħan kollu mu, bro. I don't play Souls games. The Souls games, I'm like, I constantly die, bro. I can't.
Jena għatma lab Souls games. Xlif Elden Ring.
Okay.
I only started with 1 weapon and I finished the game with the same weapon.
Ella, bro. Niprofaw, mux it-trajet, atli.
It's such a good game. The story is amazing.
Panda, maybe we'll try it.
If we try it, record Janish.
Yes. Irrid that counter ta' kull persuna biex we'll tally them together biex naraw.
Zero deaths.
So, intom ħatilabu, ta'
Jima,
il-final boss ta' DLC u koll, don't 122, kelli 122 deaths.
Bro, it's a lot.
Alla 1 million.
Imma, Melania 160.
Jima nasaġ daqsek, ta' fal xiexin, naqbat noħriġ istidi.
Le, dak ma jkissirx il-controller PS5 mux ħajkissera probably, imma il-disk, bro, daqsek mejta.
Ħad darba bdejt nilab darba meta konni streamja. Kont let nilab darba. Dead Space, il-1.
Dead Space, għabija Dead Space.
U kien għaw dil-libal level, men. Li konti waqt li streamja u kullħat jgħid li għamalek, u tara l-patience tijaj jibda sejjer. U d-lost tijak. U jien, fuck this shit. Għalla u dim li on the stream, uninstall.
Mela, għamela,
libal u għamen. That's sick, min.
Essa, nkomplu bil-worst. What did you like?
Inti, what was worst for you?
Essa, there's multiple things actually I didn't like about this year. One, the Sony Universe Kraven, guys. Kraven.
Kraven, this the whole
Kraven. Madam Web was that this year?
Yes.
Well, Madam Web as well. And Venom, Madonna. How could you fuck up Venom, Madonna, as well? Like they had fumble after fumble, man. They just kept on fumbling.
It's over now.
There was a post. Apparently, it's just over now. Like Madonna, man. I'm glad it's fucking over on a stomach. Oh, Joker, guys. I don't mention a lot of movies. Like Joker, how do you just fumble after fumble? Madonna, there was so much potential for so much heat this year, man, and there was so much shit this year instead.
Kraven the Hunter were interessanti, per esempio, nafu li Madam Web għala ħafna shit tal-li kien really bad.
Ħalla ħafna shit għalleċ fil-ħara.
U bdew jgħamlu, xis Kraven ħareġ last weekend. Oh, basically, it made less than Madam Web.
It made less than Madam Web. I think people aren't even going to cinema to hate watch it anymore. They just know it's gonna be shit. So they don't even demote themselves. Not demote themselves. They even get up and like, you know what? I'm gonna waste my money, give it to Sony, and like, nah, bro, it's not worth it. It's not worth it nowadays.
Sony għandhom bżonn il-flus ta' kif ħajjerbaħ Astro Bot next year, man.
Actually, Astro Bot. I have to agree with Panda. It's actually a good platformer. Like, barra min like, okay, fine, it's a lot of money, platformer. Platformer for sure. It's a good platformer, guys.
ħaxi u flus għal-Madonni!
It's a good platformer, ma vera.
That was great.
Jek il-surnej da.
Wieħed Malti vintaħ Astro Bot għawax.
Le, bro.
Kienu temmu ħaxi u korruzzjoni.
Bro.
Tony, Naughty Dog announcjaw il-logħba l-ġdida tagħhom ukoll li jisimha.
That looks good.
They can say this demo. Sorry for the flow, guys. It looks interesting.
Xiflo, fucking flow.
Interesting.
Nanduru l-emmolaw.
Xorti di canon għal dil-logħba l-ġdida as well, għax kienu semmew ċertu kumpanija. It's complicated, don't worry about it. Anyway, komplejna fl-għar ta' dis-sena.
Da minn feġ, ġibu fun.
Le, dil fun facts vera rrit nkun.
Da, fun facts vera
based in the future ħafna, għalleċ għandek fucking Porsche spaceship.
Dil-istess ħagġa.
Jideri, so.
Ta' John Wick, għal xaħġa, ma kienx
the fast food joint. Oh, that fast food joint is the same fast food joint that was mentioned in Uncharted 2. Speaking.
It's a Naughty Dog Easter egg.
Semmewa huma, so.
Le, ma that looks good. Li moġobnix imma again jien Naughty Dog nafdaħħom naqax sissa kważi ma kellhomx miss meta kellhom daw forsi The Last of Us 2 kienet naqa not as good as the one.
Oh, xeż zom min għafawnek.
He's about to throw hands. Lazek.
Xem ħażin Last of Us.
Ma laftix minn.
Allura xifejt! Bro, ma tsax damelek, bro!
Jena meta labta, bot pela għed il-logħba Last of Us 2 xtrajta day one jena. U l-ammont ta' bikilli għal-Madonni bkejt din-lostja logħba jiena minn bidu sal-aħħar tal-biża. Min jaf, jimmu ħal spoiler xejn din logħba nistax nispoiler ta' żmien.
Jiena kemm rajt ħafna reviews fejn jgħidu li part.
Isma' reviews.
Votaw għal-Astro Bot biex jirba game of.
Oh my god, Astro Bot came back. Isma', reviews they're not always like packed mhux kontaw.
Naughty Dog usually doesn't miss, pezzu meta Uncharted labtum kollha daw kienu sbieħ. Last of Us labt l-ewwel sija tagħha. It was okay.
Bro.
Għaxum pata.
Jimma lanċ. Isma, it's a story game. It's not hard types. Jina ma tafx namel, mux ħalabu. Daw kellop mux ħalabu. Daw kellop għax jimur fuq YouTube, naqbad nifqa playthrough, u lejt naqbad naraħb. Jina knaħmel, jona stabi. Mux ħalabu mpa, għaxa kajin l-istess. Jina story games, not my type. Jina, honestly, cutscenes nskip jaxħu xakultan. I'ma be honest.
I like story games, it's just. Ma tanġ għandi ċans.
Unnika l-obli kol Kate nilabu mi Uncharted 4 l-axar wahda u.
Pottiwlejx.
Mit kolħad, bro.
Jena Elden Ring l-axar loba l-bkej.
Għax ġelek tida jil-bot.
Elden Ring mit kolħad, bro. Mit kolħad u koll Elden Ring.
Jien nasib l-inqas ħagġa li jodobni din is-sena.
Vera, intis. Xur moġ box, bro.
Kwajta, ma nħanġ kienem xi ħaġa li vera
La,
Les, għax intkom semmejtuhom, like basically da, Astro Bot
Għadnibaw naħseb xi ħaġa oħra, kelli xi ħaġa oħra, dawk il-films vera just why were they a thing? Ovvjament money, ma they made honestly billion money, like Kraven, għax kodna fi Kraven għamil as flus minn Madam Web, that's crazy bro, biex għamil as minn Madam Web, bro. Għax din Kraven is more possible, it's actually more watchable than Madam Web. Madam Web mhuwiex watchable, bro, Madam Web. Like tmur fis-cinema like minn ħala flus, sorry għalik li ħlejt il-flus bro, onestament, ħlejthom il-flus bro.
Morru xtaraw, guys.
Morru xtaraw, bro.
Sorry, I'm thinking. Mela naħseb l-iktar ħaġa li dejqitni f-2024 li konna suba spiċċa. Għandi naħseb nistenna xi 5 years oħra sa' kemm jagħmlu season ieħor.
Mela bro. Anime ekkunta bro anime.
That's really sad. That really made me cry.
Anzi, you might be wondering that min jibqa' jistenna season 2 għax hemm animes li jkunu season 1 biss Sony u mbagħad ikunu għaddew xaxar snin of the other like guys, hemm season 2. Ħajħoġ finally.
Deadman Wonderland.
No game, no life.
Talking about that, mela ħana mela sport.
Oh yeah,
għandi l-anime noob u basically kontet namel l-anime noob u tajdlu kif ilu ma jtella wieħed, but basically li ġara huwa li rajt no game, no life. And ma ġobnix li I wasn't inspired to do the video, man, ma ħajkolli namlu dawat. Kulħadd ħajp jaħħuli dal-no game.
It's a good anime, bro.
Ma jiena verament.
It takes a while, forsi it takes a while to ramp up a bit.
Għaxin jiena 4 episode tests.
4, mux 3, okay, 4 ħafna.
Concept of the program kif kienet. I just didn't like il-character vera moġobnix, man. Like, he's a fucking asshole, man. Li vera
that's why.
He's a pervert.
He's weird. The sister stuff is kind of weird. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's weird.
Kazuma is a pervert and as well, imma he's likable. This guy
yeah. No, he's a dick. The main character is a dick.
Boy, guys, bilħaq, illum jista' jkun il-naġlu naqra l-lemmo. La għax Markus għandu date u għet jistenna biex jimur
U
jifaqqa.
daqtija ħat titlaq jemmu ħan ispiċċa titlaq li.
Ux titilqu, bro.
Mura,
Madonna, bro. Vera, ħajmur mideb. ħajetlaq mideb, so that's crazy. This never happened Malta Pop history, guys. Le, mux mideb, so just jitlaq ekk.
Ejja l-outway.
Il-liba, how crazy. Guys, ħanċaqla place.
Mela, għajdinna mela. Kenna naqa. Tajja ċawet, għax meta niġi biex neqedidja il-peak. Mela, Marcos, basically, Marcos mar kontra l-ħagġa li najdu bros before hoes, and he basically the hoes before bros. Ningrazzjaw ħafna minn qalbna il-Marcos.
Għalint? Għaw di għadkat jaxħana, jow billib
Għazzajta wek Marcos.
Le, bro, onestament.
Anyway, panda kena ċejdinna xaħġa li ma bro. Okay, ista fuck Marcus. Oh yalla, you don't get any. Mela, inti kontet tajdinna li kena xaħġa li kazzatek.
Iva, ento ma nafx jekk ma taqblux miħaj. Ma nafx jekk ma labtuwix. Pokemon Pocket.
Alright, the new one.
The new one.
I hate it so much.
Mela, ħanajdlek jien, mela. Mux għaxina l-uniku għed li I'm not a Pokemon fan. You guys might be a bit biased because you're a Pokemon fans. Mela, jina labta. Fi bidunet, like the first 4 days, għat really Pokemon fun, di niftaħu nżabbabu għek. And then it just becomes boring, man.
Yes.
Like, every 8 hours you open a pack.
Eżat.
And that's it.
Yes.
What the fuck?
Literally.
I haven't opened the pack in like a week or something.
Yeah.
Like,
No,
absolutely.
you
It's
know,
bored.
my friends, when they told me, oh man, have you heard of Pokemon Pocket? It's not the biggest Pokemon fan, but I've tried like almost every obscure game that they have. Like almost all of them. Not all of them, like some of them are too obscure for me, even for me. Like, I'm like, this game is so not shit. It's a good way
not
to
bad.
teach you how to
It's
teach
not-
TCG.
But then it gets boring. There's like
But then
no...
it gets fucking boring, man. Malla.
Inti xkellek problema fuq.
Jena problema tijaj.
Għax you're a
Li-
big Pokemon player.
Eżat, eżat.
Bejnietna you actually
I
play.
feel complete.
Eżat. For example, I play Pokemon Go.
Eżat.
That's it.
I play
But he plays the
main
old
games.
the OG cards game.
Eżat.
So, like,
What I really hate about it, there are 3 aspects. So, hemm 3 affarijiet li
La, bro.
vera
Għandek hate
Iva.
tal-isek.
mela l-ewwel net sew jiġi xi ħadd jilgħab Mewtwo bizzik ta' fucking Gardevoir. Joqgħod jagħmel żewġ energies
U daqshekk
u jien hemmhekk biddito nipprova nattakka. U
xejn, you're dead.
das xejn men
You're dead.
U tliet Pokemon men kull ma jmutu. Jekk imutlek wieħed, jieħu point. Jekk imutlek wieħed huwa jekk jieħu tnejn.
That's a key
I have a
spot.
question actually. Is it the actual format l-istess pal
No,
Le,
no,
change
so much
It's
different.
Għax anka sħabi għalu li-
Għaxin jim minix
It's so much simpler, Eva.
jim minix TCG. U jxin actually left the lob, I'm like, this looks very simple.
Yes,
I
yes,
don't
yes.
remember the actual game being this
Le,
simple, bro.
the actual game is so much harder għax inti għandek ħafna dik mux inti ikollok 60 cards u tkun taf eżatti x'għandek. Għalli inti tkun taf xużajt, hemm xeba resource management, bl-energies per esempio f'pocket just
Magic, yeah.
attach u dejjem jitlaq oħra. So unlimited energy.
It's a Hearthstone.
Eżatt, literalment. So huma
Imma worse than
bil-marna.
Hearthstone, aha.
Eżatt. Il-ħaġa oħra li dejqitni mbagħad mhux il-card game innifisha. Sew,
Okay.
nidħol fuq Facebook. Nara kulħadd iġib il-God packs. Iġib l-affarijiet u jiena meta ngħidilkom hit waħda ma ġibt. L-ewwel hit li ġibtu huwa l-Arcane li huwa guaranteed. Ma l-ewwel pack.
Bro, oh, that's so
Il-bqija-
sad. That's so sad.
Jinxib ċarrazar dak li ċaqla.
Eżatt, jiena
Laqas dak sibtu.
stop ma sib. Sew, għazzob, għaz fucking altard, sew jew xi ħaġa stramba ta' karattru li qatt ma ħajintuża jew xejn.
Għadek tal-laba laqas.
Ux nilaba men, ma l-ewwel ġimgħa niftaħ pek kull-jum mequx.
La, bro. Le, isma. I think it was like a fad. Like,
Eva.
Jien naħseb sakemm they don't unless they introduce a ranked mode
Daħlu.
ranked
Imma
mode.
il-ħaġa hi li
Aha.
the decks are so I mean għada kemm tibda, taf kif m'hemmx ħafna decks li forsi għadek.
Ma zver, easy, like, if the other person starts better than you, ma l-ewwel m'għandekx ċans li tarba.
Diki, jekk tibda second, erbaħt. Jekk tibda first, lift.
Ija, kważi jieħa dejjem.
Għax inti dejjem għandek, għax inti għandek l-energy attachment dejjem qabel.
Aha.
Meta tibda turn 2.
Għandek attack qabel, one attack before, so tibni u zombie.
Ħalli li fil-card game propja, min jibda second jista' jattakka u jista' juża affarijiet li first starting ma jistax.
So basically, second so you're always fucked if you're second.
If you're first.
If you're first, you're always fucked. Ma that's really very unfair, bro.
Ek tiġi ħafna. Ma għal da, jekk ikollhom one big card li għal just one. Għal xej, just itfall Pokemon for slaughter.
Jekk Mewtwo jkollha guide war.
You understand that shit. This is going to be a fad, and I'm pretty sure within a few weeks it's going. Fil-fatt taqsda dan home.
Yeah.
Facebook għandna nar xej.
Le, mietet quite quickly.
Jiena dik dejqitni.
Id-downfall tagħha kienet vera talat.
Yeah, pamatlik, like I was hyped for content night.
You love Marvel Snap as well.
Marvel Snap għandna problemi issa. Imma l-ewwel sena kienet vera fun. Marvel Snap. Issa ġew ħafna shit li anke speċi mhux jien biss ngħidha konvenzjoni kien imballa YouTube videos dal-aħħar fuq li għandu problema kbir Marvel Snap għax huma għamluha l-speċi Marvel Snap, you get cards the higher level you get biex so ma tistax taqbad tikraftja l-cards jew tiftaħ packs u ssib cards. So you have to craft you have to gain levels to get them. Huma għamluha li mhux biex nidħol ħafna f'dat so basically jibdew ranking like this would be series 5, but series 5 jinżlu series 4, series that. So dejjem qed iżidu card, every week iżidu new card. So tant ġew hekk eżaġerata li down to series 3, tant ġew cards li biex taqadhom you just have to keep playing.
So, jekk taqfil up, you get fucked.
You get fucked. Basically, you have to, ġiet is a job, you have to play it.
Eżatt.
Ankella you miss, u anke jekk tiġi fix-kombinazzjoni fis-store li għandhom like tokens, jekk m'għandek biżejjed tokens, jista' jkun it takes a year to come back. So ma jistax, you can't, per esempio, tajt, lalla, l-lum irrid nilab deck ta' Deadpool. You can't.
Isak fourth part-time job.
Eżatt.
Destiny 2, l-istess ħaġa. Isak għandek mhux part-time, għandek full-time, mhux għaf 3 characters, you have to main, do everything each week, every quest, Le, Destiny 2, the only reason why I stopped playing għandi 1,500 hours fuq dik il-logħba dik. Għal-dom naħseb sena, sentejn, laba, ka 3 snin. Ma it's a full-time job.
Yeah.
It's a full-time job. Warframe ukoll, l-istess ħaġa, full-time job, man dawl.
Ma insomma da mhux kollha l-istess anke Warcraft minn għalej Warcraft hekk kienet ikun.
World of Warcraft imma monstru.
Differenti. Ma kompli, kemm ħaġa oħra li you don't like, tliet affarijiet, two things.
Il-fatt li xejdulu, il-ranking system. Kienet li jekk titlef, jisak ma tlef xej. Taf kif? Jisek tibqa tila.
Il-liba.
Taf kif? Jisek memx punishment.
It's made for kids, this game.
Literalment.
I think that
had gambling aspect, għanda xaba gambling aspect.
Għaxċita, t-prova u tara.
Eżat, tu toqgħod tista' tdaħħal flus. U ħafna nies bdew jgħidu li it's promoting gambling for children, meta fil-fatt imma
it's buying packs, which is
literally so jekk inti ħad tixtri
tixtri panini, jekk tixtri panini biex taqqat il-futbol.
I have a question. Are the pricings of the actual card packs in game almost the same or cheaper?
Of ta' pocket?
Yeah.
Le, ta' pocket ħafna rħas minn tal-film.
Għax tkun imma tkun more expensive jew
imma ma tagħmilx sens li tkun hekk għax inti card normali jekk inti pereżempju qed tiftaħ pack jgħidu Evolving Skies, l-iktar pack li huwa modern u dan. Tista' ġib card li tiswa 1,000 euro. Just raw. M'għandekx dak l-istess ħaġa.
You can sell your account. People are going to sell their account. People are going to sell their account.
Eżatt. Issa fil-fatt li qed jgħidu li ħajdaħlu huwa trading. Jekk jkun hemm dak l-aspett ta' trading u l-aspett ta' dat tista' toqgħod tbieħ online u jiġu jisom NFTs.
Digital card games as-sort ma jkunux għoljin daqsla. Hearthstone ukoll. Hearthstone like it's 100 gold biex tixtri packs. So alright, tista' tonfoq, speċjalment meta kont nilab Hearthstone, meta kien toħroġ a new stage, kon nonfoq 50 euro, kon nixtri l-bundle li huwa 50 euro u jkolli balla packs u affarijiet. Ħalli li ma nagħmilha sendeħ, għavol issa ħirġa Warcraft and Starcraft, so nasab ħajkoll indaħħal ideja fil-buf.
Mela, nimxu l-qoddim?
Yes.
Secret level,
mela, xinu, mela, fem kon fuq secret level. Nejka li ma rajtux għadni, imma nista nitkellmu naqfu, għax da suppost kellu jkun Marcos jitkellem fuq.
Imma mi jgħetxaw, Jekk issa jiġi għada jew jgħidilna guys mission failed bro, għal xejn.
We'll get them next time.
We'll get them next time bro. Għal xejn tlaqt minna bro, tibqa' hekk bro. Magħna bro.
No problem, mela ħan nitkellem fuq Secret Level li nixtieq li jien ħan nitkellem fuq li rajt jien fuq ir-reviews li rajt speċi. So basically Secret Level kienet suppost waħda a very experimental TV show, animated series huwa ma nafx jekk rajtuh Love, Sex and Robots.
Yes.
So basically the same concept. So għandek 10 episodes, every episode huwa story għalih. Imma bażati fid-dinja ta' video games. So għandek one episode about Pac-Man. One episode about Pac-Man, one episode about Sifu.
Għaw kien hemm xi ħaġa weird fej Pac-Man kien like...
Yeah, like demons and stuff like that.
Okay.
One episode about Unreal...
Clips.
Clips.
One about Dungeons and Dragons, one about Unreal Tournament, one about Armored Core. So, daw il-video games. One about Warhammer 40,000. 40K. 40K.
Don't say 40,000
Dik
bro.
logħba li seta Repet Game of the Year. Sorry.
Space Marine.
Sorry.
That was an epic game. That was
Eżatt. Sorry.
Baldur's Gate mhux dis-sena.
Le.
Kienet Repet Game of the Year.
Isma, I'm no longer a full-time gamer. Honestly,
No problem.
Ma Space Marines could have won it.
Il-ħaġa post jgħidu li it was too basic to taf kif. It was very nice, imma the concept of it was very basic, just shoot and kill. Insomma.
U kien hemm Helldivers. No, alright. Naf li rajt balla hype fuq.
Iva, meta kienet ħarġet kienet tal-ostja ma kulħadd induna kemm mi repetitive u memtage li tal-affarijiet.
It came out with a shit ton of hype. Imma within like 2-3 weeks, this game is just the same.
Għax niftakar kulħadd.
Eżatt, u kien hemm xi kontroversja ħabba Sony għax tittamel bil-force PS account.
Diki, already.
Insomma, kompli fuq Secret Level.
Secret li diki.
So that series, but with video games, għaw daħammur naf, jew daħmur naf.
Le, Arcane.
Le, ma vera, għalek li vera ma kellix ċans għadni naraħ, ma vera nishtiq naraħ, speċjalment.
For Netflix.
Għalu some episodes, palla Death and Row, some episodes were good, some episodes were shit. So basically għalu ta' Pac-Man kien tajjeb, kien hemm 40K is one of the best ones.
Għax naftu bi 40K, they fucked up il-community morru. Il-community of 40K.
Ġamlu l-om l-istess pallon.
Ma bro, they're crazy. Ma they're very nice people.
But they're fucked up. Do you know? I mean, I don't 40,000.
Għalek those 40,000, 40K bro. Look bro, I'm just like comments for it.
Kont taf li 40K ħajamlu live action series. Henry Cavill.
Henry
Cavill is actually really excited. Show big fanboy.
I think he's going to be the director. ħajkun id-direttur.
Director, producer. So his baby. So suppost għandu jkun tajb għax għax jek tafda xaħat fan.
Fil-fatt għalek telaq minn The Witcher. Għax għatin xed jaqbel ma' producer.
U sawa, men isma, ħaqqu jek ma jaqbelx ma xaħad jgħid isma, I don't like this.
Vera fanboy.
Ekku.
Henry Cavill l-ultimate geeks. He plays this shit.
I think he's one of the only like Hollywood actor li huwa daqsik big geek u open. I'm open geeks, tax naf li hemm, imma honestly he's so super you understand.
Min għalija Zayn, mhux Zayn Malik ta' One Direction. Daħal ta' Yu-Gi-Oh! Min għalija xi tournament tal Yu-Gi-Oh! card game.
That Post Malone plays Magic.
He
spent 1 billion on the 2 million.
Biex ħallas it-taxxa. Mela, biex ħallas dik meta kienu ħarġu d-ring. ħallas 2 million għax dak minn kienet ibiħħa 1.5. U ħallas il-500,000 bħala taxxa biex jaħlislu t-taxxa. Għaxin kella kien ħajaqla 1 million minna allura għallu ħanħallas lak it-taxxa jenu taħtu minni.
For one card, man.
That's crazy. He has that money. So ovvja ħajamela, bro.
Imma sinjali ħobb il-loba.
Hoppa. Xiku mux ħajamela għon talent. Mux ħajamela għon sema. Issa, and show, we've said what was the past. Let's say, what are you excited for 2025?
Mela.
Issa mawx Marcus, so ma jistax jidu gonja ejdna tija, ma fucking.
Le, Marcus. He's excited li forsi jħon għapusi. Dik xebba Mela, kemm nsemmi l-axħar ħaġa ta' 2024, għax insejta, the brain is not working, the brain's not braining. Transformers 1 li jiena vera ġobni, I am really heartbroken li ma marx tajjeb fil-box office, għax
Ma tidirx li sambo,
no, imma it's a really good.
Le, apparently was.
It's really
ma
good.
ħadja it's a good film.
Ne, it went ħażin ħabba l-marketing. Għax għamlu trailers tiegħu, għax anka meta rajt it-trailers tiegħu meta ħarġu, this looks like shit, I'm not gonna go watch it. Mbagħad rajt ir-reviews li nies kulħadd beda jgħid don't trust the trailers are making it look isom animated comedy, like slapstick comedy aimed at kids, meta fil-verità it's not. Il-humor kważi kollu ruħ fit-trailer. The rest of it is a proper epic movie li speċi like it was really good story. Anka cringe people like characters die in it and everything like it's really good.
I wonder why they went to that angle. Like,
ħadd ma jistax jifhem.
I think they wanted to maybe appeal to kids this time. Ma tagħmel sens ma fil-verità. So they're gonna do that just to appeal to the newer generation or like fuck the old generation, but ma tagħmel sense.
Għax dikki, istja Transformers 1, they got the old characters from Transformers. So,
għamlu għak
jo biex they attract new...
Diki.
It doesn't make sense.
It makes sense. It's still big robots. Any like 14-year-old boy or any like 10-year-old is going to be, oh my god, robots.
Le, ma vera, they fucked it up in the ass. Really, it was good. It's a really fatti batword najtu still book because it's...
You had to collect.
I like Transformers. Imma, non bias me, even like, jina metti li ċertu films ta' Michael Bay, they're shit. They're fun, but they're shit. It's not shit. It was really good. Morten Mek, għala kważi kien hemm momenti I was crying, I was momenti like that. Like I was really amazed how perfect this is, and qasam li qalbi li it was just me and my daughter in this cinema. Like people did not go watch this film.
Kemm darba jtu fis-cinema?
Le, darba,
Alright.
in 2025. L-ewwel waħda kbira li nitkellmu fuqha, ma nafx hekk ħanaqbiskom mhux ħanajt ħafna fuqha xi iktar inti l-iktar il-big gamer tagħna li hawn Malta ħarġu l-ewwel darba. Very excited għalli hopefully it's not gonna be a fuck up, imma it looks like they did it properly with even the character categories li għamlu li ħajħorġu the Maltese Video Game Awards.
Yes,
Esports Awards.
Ma stenna, is it going to be awarded to players?
No, there's not the categories.
There's not two games, no. Not games. So it's teams, it's players, it's people who actually competed, there's a lot of different categories.
Ma nafx ismi, hemmhekk ħan nkazza.
Tal-bliħ. Palissa l-affarijiet li għadin jagħmlu anke nominations.
Who's organizing it?
Il-Malta Sport Association.
Okay. It's a big one, okay.
So mhux xi lab in Malta.
Lab in Malta, lab in Malta, sometimes they know what they're doing, imma jew dak jew free hours.
They know what they're doing. Għaxina ġejt third best Instagrammer f'Malta, guys. Għaddejt il-sosa, għaddejt il-luk magro, ħani xroba mena għal-madonċi.
Kemm erdajt allura.
Samma, le, ewa, yes, uwa organized by... Le, dik
vera.
Għalla kanta vera, fajtnik pisni libla.
Ma tinfaqax tibkija, even pal dik.
Kontra l-big dogs, ma kont vera.
Le, kontra il-gbar u il-top 3.
Oġej, mux it-terdi, għaxin it-tieni.
Le, ma nafux, bil-Malti ma mort ma saqsejċ.
Ma saqsejċ.
Għax ma jgħidu top 3. Issa jista' jkun ġejt it-tieni, jista' jkun ġejt it-tielet. Ek, għalmen I can say jista' jkun ġejt. Jekk inkun naf, ħalli jekk inkun naf li ġejt it-tieni huwa tabiħ, ma jekk inkun it-tielet ma stax ngħid li stajt niġi. So, you know, plausible deniability.
Għara kemm jużaw Instagram wasn't taf kif. Yes.
Imma vera,
kompara l-followers tagħhom ma tiegħu differenza kbira.
So I have hardcore fans.
Mela, good.
Mela, fissa thank you.
Jew rada balla nies.
Mela.
Video Game Awards.
Yes, Esports Awards.
Yes.
Hemm ħafna kategoriji bħalissa. Best esports team in general, so nis bħala versi of Elite Unit.
To be honest, that's it. Kemm esports teams?
Naqata. Mhux ħażin.
Għaxina vera ma tantx
ħafna minnhom huma low key. Ma tantx ħobbu jippromotjaw huma żgħar, imma xorta. Pereżempju li rebħu ta' League of Legends ta' Playcon. Huma vera żgħar, għegini jisimhom imma għandhom players
tajbin ħafna
tal-bliħ.
So dawk jista' jinnominaw li bħal
Eżatt, u fil-fatt hemm ħafna kompetizzjoni.
Female e-sport player minn għalija.
Eżatt, female hemm fuq il...
Best fighting game minn għalija.
Best fighting game player.
Yes, aha. Mela, nominaw il-panda, guys. Guys. Imma jiġi toqek fil-nominations kun kun. Guys. Salina mal-post.
Imma inni ma labna fighting games nejlek il-verita. So, imma, tistaw timma.
Li l-ukoll, Dwayne ma fighting games laħjar player li.
ħatkun event interessanti.
Fil-video f'ajtu biex kun.
Iva, fil-video, Iva.
ħana jlek f'ajtel ċaħat li għatma lab dillu f'ajtel.
Bro, I feel proud.
Mbatt li ma f'ajtni, somma jema nitkellmu.
Mela, guys, u koll, jina, I think as a parallel darba li għet jamluwa interessanti, nishtiq li next time, obviously, they expand a bit more, xnaħseb iktar kategori fej jista jamlu, ċertu.
It's the first one.
Eżatt, diki.
Għadu maħarġux nominations minn huma miftuħin, imma bat rrit nara if they're gonna be... Għaxina dejjem naqaf, ma tantx nafda dawlaw, mux, xikultant ibezzawni naqaf.
Ok.
Irrit naraw actually xin, per esempio, jekk naraw xi fighting game, best fighting player, mux għalin, ma naraw xi Leonardo semmek, u bat najdu
Imma fl-istessin.
Istek ma jnominawx ukoll.
Fl-istessin, inti... Jekk jena naf li jena fighting game player tajjeb, bħal Leonidas, bħal Patrol, bħal... Hemm ħafna tajjeb.
Dylan Lee.
Għanzemmuk, Ben.
Jekk huma ma jimmarketjawx lilhom innifisom biex jiġu nominated, mhumiex ħajġu nominated. Taf kif so il-players stess iridu
il-baħħar ukoll tajjeb.
Diki, tal-bliq.
Madonna.
Ma ħafna fuq monstru ieħor.
Eros. Teams da.
Sim Racing.
Sim Racing ukoll.
MOBA.
Sports minn għalija kien hemm xa? MOBA kien hemm.
Sports hemm football.
MOBA.
League of
MOBA, bro, x'iżopp.
Prova.
Għalek, right, guys. Pokemon Unite is a MOBA. I am the best Pokemon Unite player. Malta.
Ma ċaw jirabu, bro. Għabbitu xirab di għol. Genuinement, that's the Maltese player I am, bro.
I am the best top ranked Maltese. Hey, il-marketing. You need to learn marketing.
Ekku.
Sarru l-process. The best number one Pokemon.
Against me, imma, bro.
Inti imma. MOBA as a genre. So I'm League of Legends, I'm Dota, Pokemon.
I'm the best Pokemon you're playing ever. Brother.
Le, il-posters għamilu number one Maltese player.
Eżatt.
Bat ma jafux minn l-logħba li it's useless li no one plays this game.
Imma you are a fun game, bro. A fun game, bro. Għandek was 1,000 hours, fa' mux fil-zob, right, bro. Yeah, bro. I play a lot, bro. Like, I'm genuinely, I think I'm the Maltese player base, bro. Ma naħsebx
I am the Maltese player.
I am the Maltese player, għax dukaw għetlim.
Issa reġaw ġita announced l-eSports World Cup u ħajdaħlu chess.
Chess?
Announce jaw chess illum.
Chess is an e-sports.
Tista' tgħid għax it's the same type of eżatt. It's the first
virtual
Le, real life. Fatt ħajkun
virtual ukoll per esempio virtual hemm tournament, just tournament, taf kemm hemm tournament fuq.
Fil-fatt hemm chess player kbir, nsejt jismu, le, barrani Amerikan.
Għax meta jilu ċess, jilu what's your rank? Kudim, what's your rank? It's your first question, you play chess, what's your rank?
Imma dik hija l-kultura, bil-numri.
Ma l-ewwel bil-numri ħajtu. Or if you're like if you're like a certain number, you're considered lower.
Għax hemm master u grandmaster. Hemm player ta' chess huwa sponsored by Team Liquid. Chess player, so it can be considered an e-sport stuff kif għax it's the same concept
Sekondari kont jek xi champion tal-skola kont it-tieni. Ġilla. Għax ma d-dix nab bazzikament l-lum il-ġurnata.
Dik il-question, ġilla.
I was the best chess player my secondary school.
Sekk, itfaxħana għaf il-poster.
Secondary best chess player of 2000, like 11?
Mela.
Tantkom iktar eċitati għal 2025 issa.
Jena excited għal couple of TV shows. ħataqlaw l-ħaram, I don't care. Excited għal Stranger Things. I love Stranger Things.
No, I'm excited.
Għax ħafna nis jgħidu Stranger Things, I like it.
Bro, honestly, I'm excited for the next season, actually.
The last one. It's going to be the last season.
I thought it was going to come out this month, actually.
No, last. Dak u Wednesday season 2. I really like Wednesday. I really enjoy Wednesday.
I started season 1.
It's really good.
It's really good. I know, but it's not biex nara. When something's overhyped, I just don't look at it.
That's good.
Some things are just no.
Jien iktar hype ta' to shows kun naqra softy għax tifla vera fan it-tnej tagħhom and it's like daddy your daughter.
Eżatt,
We get excited and want
Mela.
On family time. She can cosplay next year. That's a good idea. Cosplay.
She Wednesday, yeah, xi ħaġa.
She can do it when she's still a kid. Even though there's Wednesdays, adult Wednesday costume.
Le, fatti ġena Ortega Teenage Wednesday
Mela.
Yeah,
What are you excited about? I'll 2025.
L-Esports Awards. Tiġa tkellimna fuqhom. To be honest, ma tantx jisbu hemm. Bħalissa ma tantx hemm Borderlands 4.
Borderlands 4.
Witcher 4.
Yes. Witcher 4.
Witcher 4.
Oh, there's some good games coming in.
Ija. Fil-fatt.
Good. A title li jena.
Suppost ma jerbaħx Astro Bot mela nek.
Eżatt.
Astro Bot DLC.
Eżatt.
The winner is Astro Bot DLC.
Elden Ring excited għalija tiġa tkellimt fuqha. U x'iżjed? Ġietni xi ħaġa f'moħħi.
Is the Wolverine game coming out?
I have no clue.
I don't kien xi logħba ta' Wolverine.
Iva. Very.
From the creators of Spider-Man, so jien naħseb nilaba.
My last year.
One Piece. That's what I'm excited
Yes,
for.
the remake of
From which studio?
Eva. I forgot that there's gonna be. The new one. It's gonna be. Bro.
It's going to be a very condensed version of One
It
Piece,
must gonna
which
be
I really like.
It's going to be short and big. It's gonna be basically One Piece. We talked about One Piece. One Piece is basically they grab everything, they remove all the filler, but with the old animation.
Like they're doing with
new animation and a shorter story.
Exactly.
Bro, One Piece is goated gonna be the next.
I think One Piece is going to take over the anime world.
U għent kont tasbu għamlu għadi basically għax nies find it very difficult biex jitlu One Piece.
Yeah.
They 1000 episodes.
Mux 1000 episodes. Dik wahda mill-caveats. Il-problema even as an anime fanboy, One Piece is like one of my favorites. It's in my top 5. I can't recommend One Piece to any starter anime fan like you, for example, because the anime is so hard to watch in the beginning. The animation is hard to watch. If you can't respect old animation, shame, and mux ħarġbuk. Like, jien kont sforzajt l-lex biex taraħni, ma vera diffiċli. Għax kant vera like she was into me, like not to me, basically.
Alright, biex talaqlek ħalek.
Eżatt, basikament. Maħlefek, it's very hard to get into.
Yes.
One Piece storja, jew l-animation.
Ekku. Il-One Piece card game ukoll bħalissa it's taking over the card game.
Labta?
Have
you tried this?
Naf li għaw komunità kbira Malta, komunità kbira, imma ma tantx tinteressani.
Comic-Con kien quite a lot of people playing it.
Yes.
Diku Digimon. Digimon is, I know it's a downhill spiral, but early this year it was on
Yes.
It was on a uphill shot.
Reġem. Għax ħana hype.
Xeba affarijiet insiders ta' fit jiġru ma nafhomx kollha, imma il-komunità tal-card game ġenerali bħalissa dan qasketert kull imkien.
Card games are always that.
Lorcana.
I was gonna say Lorcana.
Such a good game.
It fell off, man.
It's such a good game, imma
Malta
Malta.
update.
Diki.
Per esempio,
Il-collectors, imma.
Fatti ħan semmi, ma għax wieħed mill-main sponsors tagħna. Planet Console fatti jagħmel like every 2 months meta joħroġ set ġdid, jagħmel daw l-events, morru ħanu tiegħu jagħmlu da trading events. U jkun hemm balla nies, like lots of people collect it. But no one plays it, man.
I guess
Nitkellmu l-aħħar darba għatlu għalli għaxet jagħmlu dal-komunità u vera jkun hemm nies.
it's a collecting game, I guess, but it's not really
But the game is good.
It's such a good game. It's actually
a simple game, apparently. It's not really that hard.
Imagine Magic. You know Magic, but simpler. You can. It's not just land. Per esempio, Magic inti jrid ikollok land biex imbagħad tittapja. The cards themselves jistgħu ikunu
ma vera ftit li għax just prepare għall-limiti u it's complicated.
Magic imma Lorcana it's easy. Il-ħaġa li jisu Malta ma tantx ma kienx hawn marketing taw fuqha.
They night bizem jagħmel dawn l-events u jkun hemm bħala għatlu qatt ma ħajjarthom like to try and play it għax anke inti bħala businessmen. Jekk jibda jilabu għan-nies, more people will buy packs għax għandek bżonn dak il-card u għandek dan, mhux not just one for the collection, you need like 4 for the deck.
Mela.
U l-pricing mhux daqshekk differenti, mhux daqshekk
It's like magic.
First edition dejjem ikunu aktar expensive, imma pija cards mhux jekk pereżempju tidħol fuq il-market.
Normal price pal cars normali.
U kompli l-istorja, għalfejn ma jelabux allura.
Le, ma tantx għadhom ma jistax jabdu like.
Il-marketing ta' Malta diffiċli.
Collected u kollu, ġust għax il-second Disney game. Ekkun għafna missir, ma tfal taħħom, like, it's like a collecting game.
No, actually there's more adults that collect.
Dik kont ħanejt.
No, there are adults.
No, lot more adults.
More adults.
But the iktar adults minn kids.
Għax hemm ħafna karattri li huma legacy. Stitch.
Hemm Robin Hood, Robin Hood, Fucking Fox,
Captain Hook,
Maui,
Tinkerbell,
mela kollha.
Il-lal u l-breeds actually sbieħ, issa ħajħorġu gold versions ta' cards ta' Big Hero 6 kollha gold, rainbow u sbieħ.
Fatti jien għandi 2 decks.
Jien għandi wieħed ukoll, xi darba mela għalhekk nilagħbu.
Try to start.
Eżatt, jien ta' season 1.
Xrajt ta' season 2, kont Londra. U għatan ixtritnej biex nabu ma t-tifla, għatma labni.
Eżat.
Ma għatman ixtritnej.
Tajba,
Actually, nabu għaj,
Taċċa fan game. Ma jxu darba nabu
Maybe we can get some awareness, or maybe we can start a community aħna, like, bil-mod il-mod.
Jina mux fan id-dejja, I love card games.
Mela, guys, aħna kiku ħanibqaw għaddejjina, ġvera ħafna xtitkellmu. Nispera li ħattu għoz biħda naqra, the team talking about affarijiet li ġobna. The team imbarra fucking Marcos.
U le, kien għal nofsu.
Kien għal nofsu. Laqqas kien għaw, issa Marcus, next time, no funny business, all right, sieħbi. Għallik ħan il-ġubrojna għarċ.
Mela ringrazzjaw
Kluk liba.
Nistin ringrazzjaw l-sponsors tagħna li huma Planet Console li semmejni jom ukoll li għandu Lorcana u anke jagħmel Lorcana Trading Days u anke Other Geek Pinks. Il-Patrick Prince li jagħmel il-printing tal-mugs u offertek roll-up banners, t-shirts, really good guy.
Miniature corner studio għal any 3D printing għandkom bżon u any custom 3D printing għandkom bżon.
That's really cool.
Like vera sabiħ.
U kol ħajkonna ħajamlilna xi keychains u kol.
Għal-guess u forsi eventualment nibdaw nibduħom, ma għalissa li xtam li kun guess ikun jisteħu keychain.
Yes. dKaseFactory li jagħmel phone cases u kol ħajkonna xi anime cases. Semmejt l-time ma ħajkonna naqra ċans biex to design them. So ħajkonna xi anime cases u kol pala dKaseFactory jagħmel any phone għax anke sejtu għax kif ġibt mobile ġdid mhux biex niflexja minn daw il-gbar.
Għadna fil-mew fuq passa.
Basically minn daw il-gbar.
U għalli biex komplejna fuq il-kwalità. I swear to God. Għamma mettiex jena ħajda issa.
Don't repeat what
I have to repeat.
Anyway, so anka mobiles ġodda u l-gbar għandu phone cases għal-jom. Anyway, u solo kafe tal-kafe li għandi bżon u kif sindunajtu l-lum, I was all over the place ta' ankunek un badda għaninsa xet najt. So, kompatuni. Anyway, thank you Dwayne, thank you Panda. Ħad għos għax Panda ma tanċiġi. Ma Panda is the goat għalina, l-design għanna t-shirts, u he's our designer, għal dan l-episodju ħajkonna thumbnail ġdid. So, u ma l-ma law ħajibda jiġi u koll
Ma dekun jistaj.
Ringrazzjaw il-Marcos tal-li raddaħunna.
Ejja nikonkludu l-episod un bat nil-għawara.
Fuck Marcos, that's it. Fuck Marcos. Bro, like konta nofs episodju, bro.
Ciao.
Ciao, guys.
Thank you, guys.